What if your next shot could be dead-on accurate at 100 yards? In 2025, compound bows are faster, quieter, and more lethal than ever. We shot dozens of bows, and only 5 made the cut. The number 1 pick? It's not from Mathews or Hoyt, and it might just change your hunt forever. Stick around, this is the ultimate bow showdown. All purchase links? Check the description. Let's draw. Number 1. Bear Archery Cruzer. Bring out your adventurous side with this versatile bow that caters to all skill levels and ages. This bow for left-handed adventure seekers comes ready to hunt and features 6 trophy ridge accessories, a whisker biscuit, a 4-pin sight, a 5-arrow quiver, a sling and stabilizer, a knock loop, and a peep sight. It has an adjustable draw length from 12 inches to 30 inches and a peak draw weight of 70 pounds. The adjustments do not require a bow press and are made with an Allen wrench. This lightweight compound bow weighs just 3 pounds and has a velocity of 315 frames per second. It also features an extremely smooth draw cycle, controlled power, minimal vibration and noise, and can be used by the whole family. You can also check out this YouTuber's detailed review to learn more about the product. Number 2. Pandarus Compound Bow, Right-handed. This entry-level compound bow is ideal for beginners and made of durable engineering plastic PA66. It features an adjustable draw weight of 15 to 29 pounds and an adjustable draw length of 19 to 28 inches, with no bow press needed. With a right-handed orientation, it has a let-off of 65%, a brace height of 6.75 inches, adjustable twin cams, and a net weight of 2.5 pounds. Considered one of the best compound bows, it also includes 5 branches, an arrow rest, a bow sight mount, an arrow quiver, an arm guard, 12 hunting arrows, and a target paper, and is also available in red, green, blue, and pink besides this black compound bow. Have a look at this product testing video by a reviewer to learn more about the bow. Number 3. Barnett Archery Vortex Lite Youth Compound Bow. This lightweight compound bow is equipped to adjust with the developing skills of archers who are new to the game. It features a peak draw weight of 29 pounds with a let-off of 60 to 70% and 22 to 25 inches of draw length. It comes with a 3-pin fiber optic sight with a bright glow feature which gives visibility in low light. The draw length of this right-handed bow can be increased in 1-inch increments, and also features an adjustable arrow rest. Number 4. Southland Archery Supply SAS Feud Compound Bow. The Southland Archery Supply SAS Feud Compound Bow generates a maximum speed of 300 frames per second and comes complete with a quick detach quiver, 2 peep sight, premium neoprene string, and an adjustable bow sight. Its axle-to-axle length is 30 inches, whereas its let-off percentage ranges between 70 and 80%. The compound bow is designed to suit right-handers. Number 5. AMEYXGS Archery Compound Bow Kit. The AMEYXGS Advanced Compound Bow Kit is made of high-strength metal alloy and features a double eccentric wheel system that delivers excellent performance. The bow limb stabilizer provides a quiet shooting experience, which is a bonus when hunting. It has an adjustable draw weight of 30 to 55 pounds and an adjustable range of draw length from 24 to 29.5 inches, eliminating the need for a bow press. The kit includes several accessories required for seamless performance, such as a bow sight, a bow release, string wax, and a bow stand. So, which bow are you taking into the field? Drop a comment below. If this review helped you lock in your next upgrade, smash that like button, share it with your hunting crew, and subscribe. We've got insane bow tech coming soon. All buying links? You know where to go, description below. Stay sharp, and see you in the next one.